Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass.
Hey y'all, get into this wig review with me. Now what stood out first was this empty box. You gave me a wig and I'm like, where's the wig cap? You know, where's at least something inside the box? Nothing. So this wig is from Amazon and it's a company called U-Wilk. It's a 13x6 water wave wig. And that's how it looks out the pack. And it's 26 inches. The lace on this wig was so thick. Now maybe it was my fault because I didn't bleach the knots, but that lace was so thick, and y'all see in the video, like, it was just not it. But like I said, I didn't bleach the knots, so that could have been the reason. But it looked so rough and so harsh. Like, aside from the lace though, I really loved the hair. Like, it was soft. It didn't have any shedding. I don't have anything bad to say about the actual hair. It's just the lace was really thick. So I feel like if you bleach the knots, you might have a better outcome than I did. So here I am panicking because I'm like, oh my gosh, look at this lace. Like, you can see it so bad. Now, if this how this looks on camera, imagine how it had looked in person. Like, y'all, this wig had me stressed. I feel like this is the longest ever it took me to install a wig. It probably took about 3 hours, y'all, and that was because I was really just trying to fix the lace, and I don't know why I just didn't bleach it. But y'all, that literally, like, I haven't been wanting to bleach my wigs lately. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I've been getting so lazy. I've been slacking, but this wig took me so long because I'm like, after a while I was just like, you know, fuck it. I'm not finna spend my whole night, you know, trying to tweak this wig. Like, it is what it is. I'm gonna do my middle part, hide the lace, let that be that. Like, I have already done made up my mind. Like, it is what it is.
Change of plans. I did not like the ponytail. This is gonna be a really long, unnecessary video. I'm sorry, but
Then my light went dead. That sent me over the edge, y'all. Like, that's how long I've been at this wig, that my light went dead. This was like, I was just going through it. I was stressed. So this is me adding a braid. I did pin the braid to the other side. I just didn't show that part. I just did the braid, wetted, and then went on about my day. I didn't record nothing else, y'all. I was so tired. But yeah, this is... Then here I am burning myself. Like, y'all, I don't know. I was going through so much with this wig, from the lace to the hairstyle to me burning myself to nothing being in the wig box but the wig. No wig cap, no gift, a scrunchie, nothing, no lip gloss. Y'all, this what I came up with, and I let that be that. I'm gonna insert some pictures at the end. That's it for today's video. I give this wig a 6 out of 10. That's it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos, and be on the lookout for my next video. That's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in with another video with KeraDior.